I'm Clara Benitez Cortez along the U.S.-Mexico border. In a 5-4 vote, the Supreme Court deciding with the Biden administration to allow Border Patrol, a federal agency, to cut this razor wire along the Rio Grande, which was placed by the Texas Department of Public Safety as part of Operation Lone Star. As the Border Patrol agents drift upstream, you can see rows of concertina wire laying along the Rio Grande in Brownsville.
And so what had happened was that a lower court had said, government, you can go in there and cut the wire, and then Fifth Circuit comes in and orders and says, no, you can't do that. While the case is pending, we're going to stop you from doing that. And then the Supreme Court overruled the Fifth Circuit to allow them to do that.
5 justices voting in favor of the Biden administration, allowing Border Patrol agents to remove razor wire along the U.S.-Mexico border to be able to do their job. The wire, placed by DPS troopers under Operation Lone Star, which started back in March of 2021. Governor Greg Abbott insisting Texas is holding the line while the federal government ignores the crisis. DPS Lieutenant Chris Olivares stating Operation Lone Star will maintain its current posture in deterring illegal border crossings by utilizing effective security measures.
We got to work together and figure this out.
North Carolina resident Tina Menfee says we need immigrants for labor. She sees it firsthand at her job and adds there needs to be some sort of immigration reform.
We need to give them a way to get in here safely. We need to put that on a high priority. It should have already been. I mean, we need to do something and just figure out a way to screen them or something and have them pay taxes and help them out and let them go. That's how we all got here.
The ongoing legal battle between the state and the federal government poses several questions on who really has the final say on an international boundary. The Supreme Court ruling surprising immigration attorney Hugo Pina.
That to me is very clear cut. Texas shouldn't be doing things like that because the federal government is the one that has authority to do those things, especially on the border and especially in the river. So that to me is very surprising and a little bit scary, to be honest.
Oral arguments are set to begin on February 7th at the Fifth Circuit. There, a decision will be made on whether Texas is allowed to deter migrants with that razor wire along the U.S.-Mexico border, or it will be left up to Border Patrol agents. Reporting from Brownsville, Clara Benitez Cortez, Chris 6 News.